What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoe and Turbos. Today, we're gonna check something or try something that I've been waiting for a bit now. It's part of the process of the. Let me move out of the lights all glary. The process of powder coating, and that is the media blasting. Now, some of you know who've been following along that I bought a media blasting gun and kit kind of thing from Canadian Tire. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to test it out, and we're going to see, we'll open up the instructions, read on it a bit. We're going to see just how well it works on this old rim here. Now, this old rim actually was for the tire that I got from my uncle and ended up putting on the 78 Bonanza, and this rim has just been sitting around. So I'm going to, see what happens if we kind of clean it up a bit, see if it'll work. And if it does, right, we're going to be getting everything going with the trike, because I want to start tearing that apart as soon as possible. But I want to make sure that I have everything ready to go so that when I tear it apart, we can start bing, bang, and booming, and hopefully not waiting on a bunch of shit. Seals, stuff like that, might have to wait a little bit for certain things. eBay parts, might have to wait a little bit. Stuff that we'll find out as we go. But, yeah, I think we're almost ready to rock here. I need a new tire for it, that's number one. But let me get everything set up here, and we'll see what's going on here. All right, first thing we're going to do is take a look at the instructions. Now, I went ahead and put the end on here. So, let's see what we got going on here. It tells you all the safety stuff, warranty stuff, safety stuff. It tells me here, max air pressure 90. Okay, so I'm going to have to make sure that my compressor is set for 90, which I think it is. I think I actually set it. This tells us a lot more safety stuff. Okay, hopper, valve stem intake. Okay, G is a valve stem. Okay, weird. It also would be like a on-off switch. Come on. I didn't cut my fingernails just so I could have grip. There we go. Well, it tells us here, set up the air supply. Yada yada yada. So all the basic stuff, if you guys pause and read. Set up the tool. You open the hopper lid. You pour sand in it. And then I guess you spray the trigger and go. Set up a workplace area. Okay. Alright, we'll see what happens. Because I'll show you guys where I'm spraying this right away. And operating instructions. Okay. Weird. Turn the valve stem upward and then press the trigger for derusting. That's a weird thing, but I guess it is what it is. So, the maintenance, before each use, inspect the tool, after each use, clean the gun. Moist. Necessary detergents. Okay, I think we're pretty much good. So it's just like a paint gun, I guess. And it's weird because I grabbed my regulators off my old paint guns to think I would need them, but I don't. So, here's all the troubleshooting. So if we have any problems, we have a spot to check. And basically, if I take it apart, it tells me what I'm all in store for. So if I have to order a part, they have them, I guess. I'm thinking. What was that? Flow regulator, 21. Might not see it. Oh, right there. Okay, I see. For the thing. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. 3-year warranty. which is a big reason why I bought by Mastercraft, is because of their warranty. And then that's it. And the rest goes to en français because, well, we're in Canada. So let's go check the compressor. I got the rim outside. I blew it off. I might put it on this guy here, the sawhorse, to do her up. We'll see. Hopefully I don't wreck it, but I shouldn't. Let's see what we're sitting at here on the compressor. We're sitting at... No, I'll turn it down to about... That's what, 90? There we go, a little less than 90. And it should hold there, hopefully. So let's get all set up, fill the hopper up, and I'll meet you guys outside. Alright, there we go. Got everything all out here. You can see this the little sawhorse dealie. Got myself some, protection. So it's always good to have eye protection. I don't have my face mat regulator here. I forgot that at home. I'm gonna have to go downstairs into my paint area and grab it for the powder coating when we do it. But yeah, I think we're ready to rock. The sun decided to come out. So let's pour some of this. I grabbed one of these ones that came with the kit. So we'll pour it in the hopper. I don't know where the fill line is. I'm sorry. So I'll fill it up, we'll plug it up, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm ready to start spraying. Alright guys, before we do that, I don't know if you can see it, but just for a test, I'm going to put some of the granules in, just about halfway. We're only going to fill it about halfway. So, but it seems like some pretty good abrasive stuff. So, yeah, we'll see how it works. I can't wait to try it out. See how it just takes this rust off. And this paint, the air already started taking the paint off, so this should do a really good job. We're going to start here though. Alright folks, doing this the hard way. So I got the machine here. Let's turn it on, see how it works. Works pretty damn good, pretty quick. Yeah, she does a really good job, guys. So I'm going to play around with it for a little bit so I don't wreck my camera. And we'll see a bit how it does what it's done. But it seems to work pretty well. So fingers crossed. Alright folks, I ran an entire bottle through, and this is all you pretty much get done. That, and then that. Right? So, this actually did a pretty damn good job. I think, a guy in a wire wheel might actually be able to do a bit of a better job. So, but we'll see. I don't know, comment down below. Should I use this on the trike wheels? If they're that bad, I guess we'll find out. So I am covered in the bits, all the bits, just absolutely covered in it. So, and I don't know really if my compressor's got the balls to really be jamming it out, but it did a pretty good job where it did. I'm gonna say that. Did a really good job where it was supposed to. It just runs out way too quick. The hopper runs out way too quick. So, I don't know. I might buy a bag, or I might look for another one of the ones that has the hose. You can stick it in a bag. You can just go to town, right? So, I don't know, guys. Comment down below. What do you guys think? The Mastercraft little media blaster. How do you think it did? So, I think it did not bad. We have a lot more stuff to do with it. So, but yeah, that's where I'm gonna end that. Just wanted to make a quick video and testing on it to show you. That's what we're gonna be doing pretty soon here. Lots of powder coating is gonna be coming up, so stay tuned for that. But until then, take care of yourselves. Love you guys, and God bless.